Well, my name is Dr. Darlington Oji, the CTC chairman of Ikwerre local government in Rivers State. Very unfortunate incident that happened today in Omanelu Ward 5 and Apani Ward 6, where we went, considering the hard time we are in. His Excellency the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria gave some palliatives to Rivers people and indeed Nigerian people. And it was distributed through the 23 local government CTC chairman. And because it is not my personal thing, we have to take it to the grassroots so that it will get through the people that actually needed it. And again, I also was there to also carry out an empowerment program on behalf of Ikwerre Local Government Council to also support our people to alleviate the poverty and hunger in our land. Unfortunately, Dr. Nwanosike, the immediate past chairman of Ikwerre Local Government, himself, carrying gun, led other sort of policemen and some miscreants, disrupted the program where we are sharing rice and other grace that was given to us by His Excellency the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria through our dear governor and the wife. And one must ask, these are a group of persons that are saying they are supporting His Excellency the President of Nigeria. How can you be supporting the President and you are killing these people? Yesterday in Omogo Ward 9, a group of women went to share their rights, their own rights. Nwanosike sent his talk, the former CTC, the former CSO of the Ikwerre local government, Dixon, and went there and shot at the women, and the videos are viral. And today, Nwanosike himself, with some policemen, I can remember a few of them. London was there. One Sonny, Inspector Sonny was there. One Ayo was there. Dixon was there. These are a bunch of criminals in police uniform that have come to kill our people today. As I speak to you, I can take you to the hospital where you see our people lying in beds with gun shots. I don't know how they are going to survive. Their vehicles battered. I was, if not for the grace of God, I would have also been killed. I have said over time that politics is not a do or die affairs. If you say you are popular, you present yourself to the people. These are the supporters. It is not because we are afraid. We are warriors in our rights. We can defend our territory. But because we have chosen not to share the blood of any person. Because of the peaceful disposition of the governor. His Excellency Amo Pusinebo, the governor of Rivers State. Otherwise, we would have taken the war to them. Nwanosike is not an outlaw. Yesterday I spoke with the area commander in my local government. And he was afraid on calling Nwanosike to order. A man that was blessed and served the Ikwerre people for 9 months in caretaker committee and 6 years as elected local government chairman. And you say you are going to die in office. Shame to a man who just left office a fortnight ago. And as we speak today, he has lost his popularity. And I challenge him. He will not stop us. But I call on the Inspector General of Police. I call on the Commissioner of Police in Rivers State. I have called him more than 6 times today. He refused to take my call. Neither did he respond to the text message I forwarded to him. Nwanosike cannot be above the law. We are peaceful people. We love our president. And that is why we accepted the gift he gave to us because of the hard time. And we must continue to share it to our people. He cannot deter us. I call on the entire world, our own. Let me also say it very clear. Our own is not just to call international community. We can take the word to them. And I warn for the last time, as the chairman of Ikwerre local government, sitting today as the CTC chairman, enough is enough. Enough is enough. If the IG cannot do anything, the Commissioner of Police cannot do anything, then they will leave us with no choice other than to take laws into our hands and protect ourselves. And I don't pray against to that point. I pray that Nwanosike should be reminded that his tenure has elapsed and he should go home and sleep. Elections they are fighting for. If election comes and they think they are popular, who meet them at the field of play? I worked under him as his chief of staff, and today I am on the other side. The only thing he can do is to galvanize people and bring guns to kill Ikwerre people. Your own people. If you love your people, will you attack them with guns and bullets? because the governor of Rivers State have asked us to keep quiet. And I said, no, this is the last time I'm going to take this rubbish. If someone wants to attempt it again, then it means that they are looking for will come to their doorsteps. Because everybody has the right to safeguard his life. They don't have the monopoly of violence alone. So if the security agents cannot call someone when he can call his SSS, then we are ready to face the music as the drum we play.
Samuel, Nwanosike, fear a monopoly of violence. You have a monopoly of violence, no problem. Time will tell. Samuel, look at what he did. Forget you, chairman.
Hey! Saku! Saku! Hey! I'm going to do this. Imoka. Now your own vehicle. Moga. Oh boy, that's everything. Hey, give me. Camera.